Y'all, welcome back to another video, and check out what just came in. We just got a PA system and police siren from Horn Blasters. We decided to do a little sponsorship with them. Check this out. This thing has got some weight to it. Giant siren right here. I'm not sure where I'm gonna mount it, but before I get into all that, let me show you the goods. Check this out. So right here you got your horn. It'll honk, and this will do a police siren, and all kinds of different sirens here. Gain, and these two are for lights. And this is the public address system you can talk through. And this is an aux cord, so I can play any type of music from my phone for the whole world just to hear it. I'm gonna mount it right up there, right under the little old radio. Trying to keep it nice and classic. And this is not going to do too much harm to keeping it looking good. So here we go. I just got all the wires, ran through the firewall. These wires will hook up to the battery and to the speaker. I don't know where I'm going to mount the speaker slash siren yet. Either right under here, because there's a lot of space right here. Maybe mount it right there so it's going out towards the front. I might mount it right there, but that might block the noise from a lot of the engine sound. Or this other firewall right here, which that might be a good option too. Y'all go check out hornblasters.com. I'll leave a link in the description, because they were so nice to give us a very good discount on one of their horn kits. Excuse that mess. That's some brakes that I'm working on. So yeah, they supply all kinds of train horns that you want to put on your truck. They have an amazing selection of train horns. You can even get this kit. I'll leave a link to this kit in the description as well. Got some awesome stickers from them. And ginormous sticker right there as well. PA system. Y'all go give them a follow on Instagram. I'll leave their Instagram and their website below. And a link to the kit that I ordered as well. Yep.
Okay.
I'm just gonna drill one hole because
yeah, one for each.
there's one hole right here already.
Okay, good.
Okay. Now right here.
Can you get it?
Yep. Hang on.
Okay.
There we go.
Here's the next one. Okay. Uh-oh.
What?
Is it good?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. There you go. Here's these two. Got them?
Yep. Got the system mounted up on the dash. Now it's time to put the PA system and whole thing. Time to put the whole thing up on there now. Y'all, check it out. It is completely mounted right now. This is what it looks like from the driver's point of view. There it is. If I ever need to honk at someone, I don't have a horn on this, so now I do. I can just go like that and it'll honk. It's not plugged in right now, but I love this police horn sound. And this, I don't want to mount. There's a mount for it. It came with a mount and everything. I don't want to mount it up here. I would mount it right here, but I don't want to put holes through here. I don't want to make it, you know, I just don't want to put any more holes through it really. But this would be an awesome mount for it, because you just grab this and talk through it. Or I think I'm just going to leave it just like this. This is not going to be too bad. It's just going to sit there and I can just grab it whenever I want. I'll find a mount place for it eventually, but this is good for now. Now I got to take care of these wires. That's a bunch of wires from the lights job. Got to fix those too. And in the engine bay, got to fix some wiring as well. I took this fire resistant little plastic hose all the way there, all the way to the Siren and to the battery. Got it all hooked up. Here we go. Let's give it a test. It's loud, and then you go like this. I'm not doing it too loud, but let's see. Hello, hello.
That's good.
Awesome. Hello, hello. Well, just finished up the test of that and got all the wiring all perfectly coated in this plastic. Got on the interior as well. That piece little right there. Thanks for watching the video. Y'all stay tuned to the next video. There's gonna be a bunch more videos on this.